Warning, this video belongs to wrestling shorts, and then viewers only ages under the age of 13. This is my first YTP video, what I made. So, enjoy my video.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Surf.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Survivor Series. We've got the Tribal Chief Roman Reigns versus Drew McIntyre. And here comes Roman Reigns. And a Superman punch and a miss. Oh, and here comes a Superman punch and a miss. Oh, and here comes McIntyre.
6.5 hours later.
McIntyre with a aka the Drive Drew kick. He just knocked his head off the table. Oh,
what's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Council Paul Heyman. What's he doing here? And now Roman getting up. They're locking and loading for a double Superman punch. Mamma mia! Roman Reigns showing everyone why he's the head of the table. Oh, but wait. What's that smell?
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
The Rock is cooking. Oh, and here comes McIntyre, and the Rock with a firecracker. No one's gonna be up for you.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
CM Punk, and a spinebuster. WrestleMania for you. Oh, what's this?
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Bray Wyatt. Oh, WrestleMania for you. With a drive-through kick. Oh my. Oh, and here comes
What's up, guys?
Heyman.
It's Quandale Dingle here.
He's got a sword. To the face. Oh, Heyman has hit Rock's bottom. But wait a minute. Drew McIntyre is the chosen one. Only he can remove the sword in the stone. Drew McIntyre is the head of the round table. Oh, mamma mia! It's the Undertaker! It's the dead man! He down! He down! 30 years of the Undertaker! Is he here for one more match? One more match!
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Goldberg, hide your wives! Goldberg is here! No WrestleMania for you!
I'm sorry, guys, for these loud noises. Beware your ears immediately. And sorry for this copyright strike, or not.